Hello and welcome back to another day of Nextdoor Automation. My name is Eric and I make daily videos on to help business owners to grow on Nextdoor, and I do also automation to help them more leads. So today I'm going to review my go-to process to promote your travel agency on Nextdoor. You can watch many other videos here. So my first advice will be to create your Nextdoor conversion funnel. A lot of people don't know this element, but basically you have several areas on Nextdoor, and some people do not use or exploit the advantage of Nextdoor is offering you. So what is a conversion funnel on Nextdoor is to have a fully completed personal profile, number one, business profile, the pro page, business page, and to create a group. Once you have these three elements completely filled, that means showing your face in the logo picture, having a proper top banner, showing your storefront or whatever activity you're doing, completing your email address, website, your bio, who you are, what your company is doing, having opening times filled on the pro page, having your website, email address, your business license if you have one, uploading videos and quality pictures into your pro page and so on. So I've made a video that I'm going to show you just here, which is actually this one here, the Nextdoor blueprint to get more leads. It explains you the ways to have your conversion funnel completely filled, and you will be able to get access to this document, which is updated on a weekly basis with all my latest advices on how to master Nextdoor with the latest tips and tricks that I discover. And there are a lot, and a lot of people don't use them. So it's free. Go watch it, and you'll send me an email to request access, and I'll send it the latest version of it. Now let's go back to my second point, and this is the basis first of your the foundation of your presence on Nextdoor. The second one is that you need to plan your yearly publication schedule, and that's very important. You are a business owner, you probably don't have so much time to spend on the social media, and there are so many. I guess if you are focusing on Nextdoor, is because you want to get some neighbors and local customers. Nextdoor being very efficient to do that compared to all the other platforms where you have to pay for your message to be seen by your neighborhood friends. Nextdoor is showing you all your posts, whether it's a personal or professional, to anybody. The issue is the following: once you post, your post then goes down and is buried under new post. So you have to have a nice planning first, and you have to get it as frequent as possible. So let's say once a day at least. But if you do once a day a post for 30 days, that's very good, because you increase your chance that your post will be seen. So, and by the way, what triggered me to make this video is because I've seen a profile or what I was browsing on Nextdoor, which is a travel agency. So good on them. They have a pretty nice business page, and that got me the idea to make this video. So you see, they have the email address, the website, the license number, the opening times are there or not. Yes, they have it. Telephone number, everything. They have favorites. They've collected favorites. They have recommendations. So that's very good. The only issue I would say is they are lacking videos, and they are lacking also regularity. and that's the point I'm developing right now, is you have to get regular, you have to post with regularity and plan ahead. So what I mean by minus 30 days is, let's say you have a big promotion coming up, plan in advance, make a retro planning so that you announce in advance your big event or your the travel that you are promoting, if that's the case for you. If not, the regular yearly publication is good. So my advice when you publish, so remember I told you you have to create your group, because you will be posting from your personal page for profile in that group always. So you will create a group that will called travel fanatics or something like this, and you will only post in that one. That's part of your conversion funnel, because people who will like your post, who will want to know more or will want to interact, will tend to join your group. Once they join your group, it gives you permission to send them a DM to say welcome to that group, so glad you're here, and by the way, this month's promotion is a cruise trip to the Caribbean. And that's it. You have the link, promo code, bing bam boom. You have it, and you are trying to get their email and so on. So that's a very important point. Plan your yearly publication schedule. The third point is organize events online and physical. So, and if you don't know what I'm talking, so you can record a video like this and you can present the upcoming what type of travel can you promote? Visiting Paris this next spring. So you'll make a video, and video is always recommended. Either you make a landscape video like this that is a bit long, you post it on your YouTube and you repost it on Nextdoor, or you grab your cell phone and you make a handheld video for not too long, and you post it natively on Nextdoor, and you talk to your audience and you say, hey, I'm Mike, travel agent in Seattle. We are going to open in 7 days. Make an announcement in advance. The registration for a next spring visit to Paris. You're welcome to see the trip details in the link in that post, and that's it. It does not need to be very long. If you repeat that message every day for the next 7 days, that's how you get visibility, and you post this in your group, and you organize events online, so you can do that and make a more complete promotion of your travels through that. So it's an online event, or you organize an event at your place. If you want to do something for Halloween, now is the time, and I've made a video about how to promote Halloween events, even if you're not into renting costumes or scary mask or decorating the houses. You can check this video, and I explain you how to do that for your business, so that would be for you as a travel agent. And of course, you probably want to do an event once a month, or every 2 months, or every 3 months. But when you get the habit, it will be easier. Always the first few times are a bit difficult, and in order to make it easier, you can team up with somebody. So let's say you have in your neighborhood a friendly restaurant or coffee. You could organize and team up with that coffee place a breakfast travel discussion or something like this, and that's a way to proceed. Let's go to the next point. And if you're still here, I welcome you to stay for a bit longer, because you'll be surprised about the last point that I'm going to cover, the number 7. And so this one, number 4, is very important. I hope you do that. If you don't do it, start right away, is collect emails. So collecting emails is strategic. Remember, you're only a guest on Nextdoor, and in other social platforms you can get cancelled, banned, kicked out, and so on, and you can lose access to your group, for example. So once your primal objective would be to make sales, but prior to make sales is to collect emails, because once you let a new prospect join your email list, you can send them later on a lot of offers. And that's the way to go. Always redirect to a landing page where you can capture emails, to a Facebook page or website where you have a pixel and you can retarget with ads later on, and to landing page to collect emails. Very important. You should promote on Nextdoor, of course, your last minute hot offers and with big discounts. Your promos will be seen by all your neighbors, and yeah, that's a great things to promote. Remember, and you have maybe compared to other type of businesses, you're selling dreams, you're selling travels from the next state or the next country or from or the other side of the world, and you have great marketing videos, pictures that will make people dream of. So you definitely have a lot of potential to post things. Don't overdo it, but with regularity in your planning, you will be able to get a lot of leads. So last minute offers, definitely a thing. You should also create your local travel magazine, and I think it's a very neat and strategic things to do. The whole points is based on creating your local branding, online branding, and once you have created your brand, you will be recognized as the best local travel agency. And if you have your local travel magazine, that's great, and you can put part of your publishing schedule, one page or one quarterly or monthly travel magazine available for download. So you take some extract, don't want to send it directly on Nextdoor, but in your objective to capture leads, you put a nice extract and you say, come and get our December review travel magazine available for download here. Redirect to the download page, grab the email. That's the optimal thing. So, and once you have a nice travel magazine, you can also team up with local restaurants and other local businesses who wants to be to advertise in your local travel magazine. Leave it open and free for the beginning, or have a very a minor fee. And once you get more exposure, you will be able to charge a little bit more. So just something to keep in mind. It's work, of course, but it's part of building your brand efficiently. And the last point, which is use automation. So as I said in the introduction, you're probably a business owner who does not have so much time to take care of your online presence, and I do that for you guys, to use automation to plan the auto post and plan and post automatically after the whole yearly schedule is done. You only have to create content, and even that I can help you. So if you want to check my services, you can see my website and talk more, and I'll link another video for you to see the type of services that I do. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, have a great day and talk to you tomorrow.